Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with episodes. So here we are in the seasons and now we have the button to go to the episodes of this season and click there. And first of all we need to change the front page to be with filters and also the generate button like this. For that I'm going to open the VS Code and open the season index blade and come here and select all, select all and copy here and open the episode index blade, select all here and paste that we had in the seasons. And we need to make some changes. So here we need to make, to say, episode number. Also this is going to be episode number. Episode number, like, and here generate episode. Okay, now here we are. For the filters is okay. Also I need to open the database to show what fields we have in the episodes. And go to the movie app, episodes, we have season ID, name, episode number, is public, visits is by us, and slug and overview. Okay, so we don't have a poster, but I'm going to display there the is public or not. Public, and season number is going to be episode number and manage. Here I'm going to say episodes, and here we need to change all to be episode. Here not episode poster path, but I'm going to say overview. Is public, sorry. Episode is public, episode number, and here we don't need that. So remove that one. Episode ID, show edit modal, and delete episode. We need to add episode ID. Okay. Here, episodes, links, update episode, and also here show episode modal. Okay, and we had name, season number is going to be episode number. Poster path is going to be the overview, and here overview as well, and also here and label for overview, and we need to add is public or not here, but I'm going to leave for now. and close episode and update episode. Hit save and open the episode index class because we need to add episodes here. What? Okay, here I'm going to say episodes and it's going to be episode, and I'm going to say right now paginate by 5. Hit save and go to the browser, go to the episodes now, and yeah, episodes, I have typo here. Yeah, for each, when is the for each episodes, we have here episodes. Hit save and refresh, and yeah, it's going to look like this. And to generate an episode, we need to do the same thing we done with a season. So I'm going to open the season index livewire class and copy this method. Come here and paste that in. Now first we need to import this class. Also here we can say not the new season, but new episode. Okay, and also here to say episode and episode model, where the TMDB is this new episode ID first. Okay, and if we don't have the episode, then episode create, and here we add the season ID, TMDB ID, and here we need to add the public for dollar sign series, and also the season. We need to add the season here. Dollar sign season. And we have that because we have a route model binding. If you go to the web PHP inside the routes, here is the episode index, and we expect the series and the season. Okay. And we need to import this one as well. Import class str illuminate support str, and this is going to be the overview, and also change this to overview, and we don't need this one. Okay, slug season number is going to be episode number. Okay, and what we have TMTB season ID name episode number is public and visits, and the slug and overview. Now, okay, so we added the season ID, TMDB ID, name, episode number, slug, and overview. we need to add the is public and visits, and come here and say is public is going to be false, and also the visits is going to be 1, and we need to modify also the get request, that this TMDB ID, season, this season number, and also we need to add the episode here. Episode, and add the episode number, so $this and episode number, which is not here right now. We not created that. I'm going to create right now. So after the season, I'm going to say public $episode number, and not season number here, but we need season and season number. Hit save, and I'm going to verify if we have that episode number in the wire model. Yeah. Go to the browser, refresh, and I'm going to say episode 1, click generate, and generate episode is not, yeah, because we copy paste, we need to say generate episode, and also we need to add the fillable to the model. So open the season model, and I'm going to copy what we have here, close this, and open the episode model now, and I'm going to paste that in. We have the season instead of the series, TMDB name slug. Also here change the episode number. This is going to be the overview, is public or not, and visits. Hit save and close, go to the browser and refresh, and add number 1 episode, click generate, okay, I think I have made a mistake here, episode, and yeah, season number, and episode, this episode number. Okay, TV, season, and episode. I'm going to go to the moviedb.org, sorry, developers. I don't have error. I don't have internet connection. Let me check. Okay, so now I fixed the internet connection. Come here and refresh. Paste number 1 for the episodes. Click generate. Yeah. We need to change this to be season ID. and come here and refresh again. Click generate and says a number not found on component. Because we say here season number reset, but I'm going to reset the episode number. Hit save and come here and refresh and select number 2, click generate, and yeah, just we need to change this to be episode created, is not public, and the name is the name. Okay friends, hope you enjoy this one and see you in the next one. I'm going to change this to be episode created or exist and refresh again and type number 3 now, click generate, and yeah, episode created. See you friends, all the best.